Thank you so much. All I would say, just a couple of months back, I was here along with my daughter, hoping that she should get into this college. Little did I know that in 2 months' time, I'll be standing here and addressing all of you. And dragging Mahesh Bhatt as well. Well, I was just, when I was talking to Sangeeta ma'am, and this idea came that if Mahesh Bhatt happens to be a case study, does it have his life has any relevance for students in a business school? And there may not be, somehow some better people than those who have been observing him for last almost, close to 15 years. I would say like, 1/3 of my life has gone, watching Mahesh Bhatt and growing actually, with him. There are, I can keep on talking, as long as people want to listen. But three specific areas that I would like to highlight that I have noticed and learned in my association in the last 15 years. The first and foremost, how you handle success and failure. This is very, very important because not every day in your life you will meet success. Maybe actually, you will meet more failures, and how to deal with failures will determine how successful you will end up in your life. And I remember that almost 2.5 years later, when I first met him, we were there in Udaipur, and we were having chai, ek thele pe khade hoke, and Bhatt Sahab said, "Zindagi is thele se shuru hoke, is thele par aa gayi." Kabhi kisi zamane mein मैं इस ठेले से चाय लेके जाता था और अपनी टीम के लोगों को, जो कि उस समय मेरा गांव मेरा देश एक फिल्म बना रहे थे, उनको यहाँ से मैं चाय पिलाता था, वापस आके यहाँ पे खड़ा होके चाय पी रहा हूँ. So that day when we were driving, and Tanuja was also with us, one of the directors who used to work with Mahesh Bhatt, and I had lots of questions in my mind because I was not a film buff and I did not know actually what Mahesh Bhatt has done. That's why by so many people, whenever and wherever he goes, they come and listen to him. So I started asking some very naive questions. I said, "Bhatt Sahab, ये क्या वजह है कि लोग जहाँ पर आप जाते हैं वहाँ पर आपको सुनने आ जाते हैं?" So he said, "Maybe I have done some films, just because of my films, they have some kind of an association and they think like, I am that filmmaker, they want to meet that filmmaker." I remained quiet for like, 2-3 minutes. I said, "आपने कुछ फिल्में में बनाई है क्या?" Now, there was a time actually, when Bhatt Sahab has done nearly, 50 feature films, and Tanuja was so pink and red, if I have asked a question, actually, there could not have been anything more blasphemous than asking a filmmaker to, "Aapne kuch film banai hai?" Such was my ignorance. He said, "Na, kuch filmeं to banai hai, lekin agar tumne koi film agar meri banai hui nahi dekhi, to trust me, you have not missed anything in your life." Then I said, "Sir, in case if I like to understand you as a filmmaker, can you just let me know actually some of your films?" So he said, like, "For my every successful film, you have to see 5 of my flop as well." So that was the first thing, I learned is that how you can be so equanimous, how you can handle both success and failure very equally.